In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat on chess.com. Chatting on chess.com is a great way to communicate with other players during your games. Whether you want to say hello before a match begins, congratulate your opponent on a good move, or simply engage in friendly conversation, the built-in chat feature makes it easy to connect with other members of the chess.com community while you play. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find the chat feature and how to use it during an online game. The process is quick and simple, and once you know where the controls are located, you'll be able to send messages and emojis whenever the chat feature is available. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to chess.com. Once the website has loaded, locate the login button and sign in to your account using your preferred login method. After you've successfully accessed your account, you'll be ready to start an online game where the chat feature can be used. Next, look toward the top of the page and select the Play option. This section contains the tools and settings needed to begin a game against another player. After opening the Play menu, choose Play Online to enter the online matchmaking area. Once you've started or joined an online game and the chessboard appears on your screen, take a look toward the bottom right corner of the game interface. In this area, you'll find the chat icon. This icon provides access to the game's messaging feature and allows you to communicate directly with your opponent during the match. Click on the chat icon to open the chat window. After the chat panel appears, place your cursor in the message box and type the message you'd like to send. When you're finished typing, simply press Enter on your keyboard. Your message will immediately be sent and displayed within the chat window. In addition to regular text messages, Chess.com also provides an emoji feature that allows you to express reactions in a quick and fun way. To use it, click the emoji option located within the chat area. A selection of emojis will appear, allowing you to choose one and send it directly into the conversation. Using chat respectfully helps create a positive experience for everyone involved. Whether you're discussing the game or simply exchanging friendly messages, the chat feature can make your matches more engaging and enjoyable. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to chat on chess.com, send messages, and use emojis while playing online games. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like. Subscribe to the channel